Click play to start. Play. Hi, it's me, Rusty. Glad you're here. We've got a penguin problem. A package of penguins was supposed to go to the animal park, but it got delivered to the recycling yard instead. Now the penguins are everywhere.
We need your help to collect them all and bring them to the animal park where they belong.
Who do you want to help on this penguin pickup mission? You can choose me, Rusty, or you can choose my best friend, Ruby.
Let's get on the fix. The penguins are running all over the recycling yard. Help me collect all 10 of them. To jump, press the up arrow on your keyboard. To jump, press the up arrow key so we can avoid things in our way. Great! Now press the down arrow to duck and slide. To duck and slide, press the down arrow key. Awesome! Now press the up arrow key to jump on a platform. Now let's go find those penguins. Come on! We need to get those penguins. Collect all 10 penguins. Gotcha, Mr. Penguin. Watch out for things in our way. They'll slow us down. Jump up on platforms to collect more penguins. Nice! Come here, little guy. Jump up on platforms to collect more penguins. We picked up a penguin. Gotcha, Mr. Penguin. All right, we collected all the penguins. How are we going to get all these penguins back to the animal park?
I know. We can build a trailer that can carry all of them. Let's combine it and design it.
Click on one of the trailer pieces. Click where you think that piece goes. Nice job! Now let's put together the rest of the trailer. Wheels. Wheels. Perfect placement. Modify, customize, rustified. Introducing the Penguin Pickup 2000. Now let's put our penguin friends inside. Perfect! Now let's load up the rest of the penguins. All aboard! Fantastic! Now let's attach the trailer to my buggy. Click on the trailer, then click again where you think it should go. Perfect! Press the up arrow key on your keyboard to jump over... Whoops! Press the up arrow key to jump over things in our way. We're on the fix. Help keep the penguins cool. Collect 10 ice cubes to give a nice cool burst to the penguins. Cool! Watch out for obstacles in our way. They'll slow us down. Great jump! We got air! We got all the penguins back to the animal park and kept them cool on their way home. Now that the penguins are back at the animal park, let's give them some tasty treats. They must be hungry. To feed a penguin, click on a fish, then click again on a penguin. Fantastic! The penguins are all fed and happy.
We picked up all the penguins and brought them back to their nice, cool home at the animal park. Awesome teamwork, everyone.
We couldn't have done it without you. Thanks! To go on another penguin saving adventure, click Play Again.